Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are going to solve exercise of unit number 10. The name of the unit is the black spot. First of all, look at while reading. What do you think was in the old sea chest? There was a bunch of random things in the old sea chest: clothes, a compass, a few trinkets, and coins from many different places. Let's move towards comprehension. Question number 1 is: who is telling the story? When did the story take place? The answer of this question is Jim Hawkins is telling the story. It happened when he was a boy. Next question is: where did the storyteller live? The storyteller lived in the Admiral Benbow Inn on the cliffs above Black Hills Cove. Who came to stay? An old seaman came to stay. What question did the visitor ask every day? Every day he asked if any seaman had gone along the road. What did the visitor look like? He was a tall, strong man with a scar across one cheek. What differences were there between the captain and Dr. Livesey? The doctor had white hair and a pleasant way of speaking, and the visitor was a dirty, heavy, red-faced seaman. How do we know that the captain is scared by the stranger's arrival? We know that the captain is scared by the stranger's arrival because the color went from his face and he looked old and sick upon seeing him. What is unusual about the stranger's appearance? The unusual thing about the stranger's appearance was that he only had 3 fingers on his left hand. Why are Jim's parents not around to help? Jim's mother was busy taking care of Jim's father, who was ill. What are Jim's first impressions of the blind man? When and how does his opinion change? Jim's first impressions of the blind man is that he is harmless and soft speaking. He calls him my good man. His opinion changes when the blind man grabs Jim's hand and threatens to break his arm. Next question is: answer the following questions with reference to context. Every day he asked if any seaman had gone along the road. First question about this context: who asks the question? Who does he ask? The captain asks Jim this question. Next question is: what did the person he asked think was his reason for asking? Jim thought he wanted friends of his own kind. What was the real reason for asking the question? He feared the arrival of a seaman with one leg. Part B is: the color went from his face and he looked old and sick. Who is being described? The captain. What has caused this reaction? The arrival of Black Dog the stranger. What is meant by the color went from his face? It means that he was shocked and turned paler. Look at the challenge. Do you know what happened next? Did Black Dog and the blind man manage to get hold of the captain's old sea chest? Read Treasure Island to find out. Jim and his mother barely escape death when blind Pew. Black dogs and other pirates descend on the inn in search of captain's papers. Jim snatched up a packet of papers that belongs to the captain. When they were forced to retreat from the inn, the packet contains a map showing the location of the pirates Flint's buried treasure, which Jim, Dr. Leslie, Livesey, and Squire Trelawney determined to find. Fitting out a ship, they hire hands and set out on their adventure. Unfortunately, their crew includes one legged Long John Silver, a pirate also in search of the treasure, and a number of his confederates, Jim hidden in an apple barrel, overhears the plans of the crow to mutiny and he warns his comrades. The battle between the pirates and Jim's party is an exciting and bloody one, taking place both on the island and aboard ship. Jim escapes from the ship, discovers the marooned sailor Ben Gunn, who was already found and hidden the treasure, and finally the victors get safely aboard the ship with the treasure.